All right, guys, so today we did inside turn with a stop, into a check, into outside turn, into an inside turn. Okay, I know it sounds a lot, but we're gonna do it the whole thing. See. So to do inside turn with a stop, we start with a handshake. Yes, do basic first. 1, 2, 3, 5. Then we're going to do a cross body. 1, 2, and 3. Remember your intention to still go in this way. Bring the follow, turn, 6, 7, and stop right here on the shoulder blade area with the palm. You can also stop with the hand on the top, but this is, to me, is more effectively. Can you try to turn? It's just as much as if I was holding her. This right here, I just need this. I don't need to do that. Okay? Then we allow the follow to take us forward step. 1. So for the leads, let me repeat that. I can do step forward, I can do a little cumbia. 1, 2, 3. Make sure by 3 leads you get out of the way. Lane navigation. Don't stay in front of the follow. Get out of the way and then bring the follow back to you. 5, 6, 7. Here we do a check. 1, 2, and 3. Again, 1, 2, and 3. So if we do it this way, the check, the follow is going to put the weight on the right. And 1, like a little pose. Okay, as the lead's doing 1. So it's right in this. 1, 2, and 3. And then turn, 6, 7. Yes? Then we're going to use this arm to do a circle, counterclockwise circle, as we do a crossbody. So all together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, after this we do inside turn. 5, 6. Remember to put the hand on the back and close position. 2, 3. Another crossbody. 6 and 7. Okay, now the whole thing with no talking. Just me telling you what to do next. So basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Crossbody, inside turn with a stop. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Get out of the way. Into a check. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and toss. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Yes? Make sure you practice. Practice at home.